This is the working head. Here is the EOD tool, and here is the motor. It turns, and the bar oscillates up and down. And here is the knife. The knife looks like this. Okay? Looks like this on this working head. And here you can install the creasing wheel. It can be used for the folding line making, and it can also install the universal cutting tool and the punching tool and the perforating tool. Besides that, it can also have to install this tool. This is a driven rotary knife, and it can install the circle knife here, and it turns. Okay. Do you mean this tool, or what kind of tool? We have many tools, okay. But you need to choose the tool you need. Usually, this tool is used for the fabrics cutting, like the garment, the fabrics cutting. Use this kind of tool.